With the Ellis team at RE/MAX, it's a family affair. Always call the Ellis team, they'll handle you with care.
Hello and welcome to the Future of Real Estate. I'm Brent Ellis of the Ellis team at RE/MAX down here in sunny Southwest Florida. It's time for our July 2014 State of the Market Report. I want to share with you kind of what's been going on because it's been a few months since we updated you. Prices bumping right along. You kind of see here's a nice price graph. And you can see, dating back to 2010, we were below 100,000 a median price. And this last month, we're up to 195,000 for median price. So we've over doubled since 2010 in 4 short years. So that's good. Another way to look at it here, I've got a graph here. You can kind of see where prices were going back into 2010. And then you follow the graph here. That's our median sales price. Just below here, I've also got our average sale price. It's pretty much followed right along the same path. There's a couple other things I'm going to share with you. Our homes closed. We've had a little more inventory come to the market, which is good because what we've been saying is if we had more inventory, we could certainly sell it. And that's happened here. So we had 1,293 official closings in May, and that's up substantially over what it was. But that's pretty common for this time of year. Here's our listing inventory. Here's what's kind of been going on here. We are down to, see if I can get you a figure here, 5,540 listings. So our listings have been falling, but you might ask yourself, okay, I've got a $500,000 home or I've got $1 million home. What's the inventory like in my price range? Well, we've got that for you. I did some calculations for you. And this is the month supply of inventory by price range. So if you've got a home less than 50,000, I'm going to have multiple offers on it right away. 1.65 month supply of inventory. Even up to 100,000, 1.79. Anything up to about 6 months, we consider a buyer's market. You start getting, 5 to 8 months, that sort of thing. That's kind of neutral. And then you start getting over, the 7, 8 months. Then you start getting into actually that's a buyer's market. The seller's market is anything less than 6 months. So anyway, hopefully you get the idea. But the overall market's sitting at 5.6 months right now. So we've got pretty much a seller's market for the most part. And anything less than 300,000, definitely a seller's market. Anything like here's the $1 million price range, we're at 21.34 months. That's almost 2 years. Now, when I ran these numbers back in January, we had about 33 months supply. So we've worked down about a year's supply in like 6 short months. So that inventory is coming down, and as I said, if you look at this graph here, you can see it's coming down. And the sales are going up. So when you have inventory coming down, sales going up, your month supply of inventory is quite naturally going to come down. It's a function of the mathematics. So even our 300 to 400,000, 7.24 month supply, that's kind of neutral. So if you price it right in that price range, you're probably going to sell. If you overprice it, you're not going to. But I contend, even if you overprice it down in these markets, you may not sell. It doesn't matter if the market is up, down, or sideways. You need to price it correctly. And that's where we come in. We help you identify what the correct pricing is. And then we've got thorough marketing strategies where we get these homes out all over the internet. We blast it out there. We also use our yellow pages, our newspaper advertising, and traditional type media as well. But anyway, the point is, listing with the right realtor and getting it out there, it should sell, but you got to price it right in the market. That's what we'll help you with. So I think that's a pretty good summary of what's been going on here in the Southwest Florida real estate market. We've got rising sales, lower inventory, pretty much rising prices, and but I'd say we've got a nice, healthy market here, and still a good time to buy, and it's a good time to sell unless you owe too much in your home. But we've got a pretty good market. I like these healthy, balanced markets better than the wild markets on the way up and the wild markets on the way down. We've got a good, strong, steady, healthy market. Let's hope the overall economy improves. But down here in Southwest Florida, we got companies coming in, a lot of positive, a lot of things to be thankful for, and a good real estate market to prove it. So you've been watching The Future of Real Estate presented by the Ellis team at RE/MAX. Don't forget, you can search the entire MLS on our website. Just go to topagent.com, and thanks for tuning in.
With the Ellis team at RE/MAX, it's a family affair. Always call the Ellis team, they'll handle